So what will happen at the Polaroid site? Will it sit vacant, or will Related follow through with a $500 million development without its original partner, Polaroid? Jessica Rudis from Boston.com is here with us tonight to offer some insight. Hi, Jessica.
Hey, Carlos. Earlier this week, I spoke with Batchelder of Wyman Street Advisors in Waltham. We talked about the Polaroid development deal and the future of the site.
This is the size of the Burlington Mall.
Batchelder is the managing director of a brokerage firm that specializes in sales of land and office buildings. He says the bank probably upped its bid at auction to have security down the line.
The bid was probably a positioning bid to take back the asset, reposition it, and make some decisions on what to do both short and long term. It's not untypical for a bank to take back property such the size of this if the bidding isn't getting to where they need to be to sort of make some sort of recoup on their initial investment.
So what happens next? Batchelder says parts of the current proposal might be hard to finance because of the economy.
I think based on what the market's doing today and seeing a lot of the retailers out there feeling the crunch that they're feeling, a development of this size won't probably get developed anytime in the foreseeable future, at least with the retail component. The past 24 months, the market's changed dramatically, and under the new sort of guidelines going forward, the underwriting is definitely back to where it was 15 years ago, where they're actually requiring developers to come up with substantial amounts of equity, 30, 40, sometimes 50%, a substantial amount of pre-leasing, at least 50%, if not more.
The fact that Polaroid is now bankrupt could make things even harder.
Unless they put substantial dollars on the table, and if I'm Related and Polaroid's filed already, I'm going to cut my losses and go, is my guess what's transpired.
In spite of the roadblocks, Batchelder is optimistic about the future of the site, largely because of its location.
Again with someone local, all the great things that are why people come to Waltham are still in place. The economy's getting better. Tenants are back out in the market. The infrastructure is there to succeed. It's just their underwriting has to change dramatically, and I think the bank's probably going to realize that. And I think at some point something will get built there. I don't think it's going to be anything close to what's been laid out currently.
Mayor McCarthy told Newswatch this week that nothing can happen until Related deals with the bank and the bankruptcy court. We'll continue to follow the story.
Thanks, Jessica. That was a great story.
Sure thing, Carlos.
You can find other news from Boston.com's Your Town website for Waltham at boston.com/Waltham.